Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to solve the problem of slow charging or no charging at all on your OnePlus mobile phones. If you are using OnePlus mobile phone, for example, if you have connected your wall adapter to the socket, and after that you connected that C-type charger to your mobile phone, it has to show your charging on your mobile phone. For example, this mobile is working perfectly and this charging is going on. We observe 88% it is charged. The same thing if I connect to the OnePlus phone which is there on my hand, and if by any chance if it is not working here, so the battery will be shown here. It's working. If your mobile is not working, then what exactly you can do to solve this problem is, initially I'll tell you in 5 steps, and you can have 5 solutions here. First thing, if you're having this mobile cable, charging cable, this one which is connected to the adapter with the USB port on this socket, and this type is C-type, you can change this cable first, okay, so that one solution will be available to you. Now I have changed the cable and I'm connecting another USB connector here, and I'm connecting the C-type port or connector here on this mobile, OnePlus mobile. Just after connecting this, I'll be getting charging here. If you observe, this is the one solution where you can utilize so easily. And if your problem is not solved, what exactly you can do is, and you can take out this whatever the wall adapter you have with the original OnePlus mobile phone, and you can change this one and have another wall adapter for the matter. Then let's see what happens. I've changed that wall adapter with another wall adapter, and I'm just connecting this USB cable here, USB connector here to this adapter, and again placing it into charging, so that my mobile would be charging probably by this solution. It's so simple. This is the second one. One is changing your cable, and second thing is changing your wall adapter. If it is also not working, you can try with another charger, entirely a new one, which you can bring it and try to change it, or otherwise you can change the socket here from one socket to another socket. This socket might not be working here. The third solution will be just changing your socket to another one, so that your charging would be doing here. And this is the third solution. First one is changing this cable, second one is changing this wall adapter, and third one is charging the port entirely. And now I'll be showing you the fourth solution. The fourth solution will be so simple. Sometimes what happens, your charging pin here in the USB section would be getting some kind of dust, which you have to clean it regularly, so that your slow charging or not at all charging will be solved so easily. For example, I take a soft brush here, and taking a soft brush, get into this C-type thing, and simply just take out the dust inside this port. That's all. After doing this, again connect to your C-type connector, so that your mobile would be charging again. This is the fourth solution. The fifth one will be so easily, after taking out this, if still it's not working, take a toothpick. So simple, and this toothpick will make you your problem solved. Don't take any metallic one, just take a toothpick and gently do this one. If some obstruction is there, some dust is accumulated here, with the brush if it is not going, you can take out simply here from this connector, port connector, so that cleaning this, if you again connect your C-type connector here, your mobile would be charging so easily. This is the fifth solution. I'll be repeating quickly. Change your C-type cable, or change your adapter, or change your socket, or clean it with the brush on the C-type connector area where you are connecting, or if it's still not working, just take a toothbrush and try to take out that obstruction. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too. Thank you.